Cooking can feel intimidating, but with a few simple habits, you can elevate your skills and confidence in the kitchen. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced home cook, these tips will help you make the most of your time and ingredients while boosting the quality of your dishes. Let's get started. Number one, prep like a pro. Master the art of mise en place. Mise en place is a French term meaning everything in its place. Before you turn on the stove, take a few minutes to gather and prepare your ingredients. Chop your vegetables, measure out spices, and have your tools ready. This step not only saves time, but also ensures you don't miss an ingredient or overcook something while scrambling to find your garlic press. Use small bowls or plates to organize your prepped ingredients. It's like having your own cooking show set up. Number two, use high quality ingredients. The quality of your ingredients has a huge impact on the final dish. Whenever possible, choose fresh, seasonal produce, high quality proteins, and pantry staples that pack a punch, like real vanilla extract or good olive oil. Shop at local farmers markets or buy in bulk when items are on sale. You get better quality for less. Number three, season as you go. Great cooking is all about layering flavors, and seasoning is your best friend. Add salt, pepper, and spices gradually as you cook, tasting along the way. This ensures your dish is perfectly balanced and prevents oversalting at the end. Experiment with finishing sauce, like flaky sea salt or fresh herbs to add a burst of flavor before serving. Number four, learn the basics of knife skills. A sharp knife and proper technique can completely change how you cook. Not only will you save time, but you'll also get evenly cut ingredients which cook more consistently. Start by mastering a simple chef's knife grip and practice the rocking motion for chopping. Number five, embrace the power of batch cooking. Save time and reduce food waste by cooking in larger quantities. Soups, stews, grains, and roasted vegetables can be portioned out for multiple meals during the week. Batch cooking also makes it easier to stick to a healthy diet since you have ready made meals or ingredients on hand. Make a big pot of chicken jalapeno popper soup and freeze portions for later. Cooking is an art and a science. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try new recipes, swap out ingredients, or play with spices to create something unique. The more you cook, the more confident you'll become. With these habits, you'll not only improve your cooking skills, but also enjoy the process of creating meals. Remember, cooking doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be delicious. What's your favorite cooking tip? Share it in the comments. For more cooking tips, recipes, and inspiration, subscribe to our channel and join the community of culinarians making magic in their kitchen.